forget about Bootstrap. Go back to the Bootstrap classes, okay, which I'll show you guys how to go there. So www.tutoslive.com. Okay, this is how you go. You say past classes. You see here. Okay, and I hope they are in page 2. Yeah, here you go. See external style sheets and fit a Bootstrap framework. So here we have discussed about Bootstrap. So you can see here style.css Bootstrap example 2. Okay, so this is all we have done in the previous classes. Okay, this is Bootstrap file. This is, so you can see doing over there. Okay, you can always go back there and see the classes and come back here if you find Bootstrap a bit difficult. It's not that difficult. It doesn't. It's not actually. It's pretty easy. Yeah, I'll show that. So here is the code. What I have done here is, this is our actual text. Okay, now I'll just do this. Okay, so okay, fine. Let that be. So I don't want this actually. Okay, so what I've done is this is a string. I've given a string to the variable. Then I have concatenated another string. Then I'm directly pushing into wherever this class test is there. Okay, I'll write one more class here, test, let's say, and this is empty, let's say. So it pushes here also. Okay, test and test. So wherever this class test is there, then it pushes that particular content into that particular div or whatever the container. I can use this in H also. Let's say P tag also. P class equal to test here again. I'll use the P tag here also. So now the content appears in 3 places. Okay, guys, and don't worry, this code will be available tomorrow. You can download it into your local files and place it anywhere and just see how it works. You can do any manipulations on the file, no problem whatsoever. Okay, let's see how many places we got it there. You see, it got repeated in 3 places because there are 3 areas where the class is test. Okay, any questions here regarding jQuery? So I'll show you guys create the documentation of jQuery. It's pretty simple here. So all you gotta go is go to jQuery.com and say API documentation. So it takes you to api.jquery.com. So you will find everything here, every class. Now let us search for HTML. So you see here HTML. Okay. Now I click on this. When I click on this, it gives everything about it, what it does. So it says HTML can be used to get the contents of any element. Okay, that's one thing. And the other thing is I can this is text, we don't want that. There are examples too, like say click to change the HTML, change this button does nothing, it says. So that's one more. And here what they do is inside the HTML that you see here, they place the content. So this is hello again, hello again, hello again. So you can do that too. And you say, let's say JavaScript. Okay, you get all the classes regarding JavaScript. Now inside JavaScript, you want to navigate, let's say, math object, let's say. So you go to math objects and you say date. So date object. So it says, this is not a perfect search, but still, I have to put a date on the browser, validate, and date and string objects. So such that, like, and there is search. There is search. Okay, let me put a question to you guys. All right. So if you guys go to interviews, let's say, anytime, they'll ask you one question: what is jQuery? Okay, so always say that. What is jQuery? That's the question here. So how is it? Pawan, you here still? Or Pawan's gone? It's a lightweight framework. Nice. So code with a mini. Yeah, man, you're the one. Yeah, you both the guys are right. I'm putting that question. Come on, there's a poll coming up. Wait on, guys. All right, answer this question. A tricky one. Mm-hmm. Who else is here? Taufik, you here? Taufik's not making any noise today. Usually he's the one talks much. Let's say Taufik. Taufik, you here? Okay, Taufik got the answer. Sandeep got the answer. And who else? Who else is here? Malika is here. So what's your answer, Malika? So nice. Oh my goodness. So no, the winner is. Oh, did I? So the winner is. Let's say who's the winner? So it's a JavaScript client-side framework. Okay, only one person has answered it right. Okay, it's not a server-side framework, it's a client-side framework, and the winner is Pawan. Pawan is the winner of today's poll contest, and the rest of the guys. Did anybody answer option 1? Yeah, only one user. Option 2, 3 users, and option 3, 1 user. So it's not a server-side framework, it's a client-side framework. Always remember, client-side is the one which we write in our local system. Okay, there are no prizes, okay? Don't expect any prizes here. So it's a client-side framework. So there are two things. So you guys need to get back to the first class wherein we are discussing about the client side and server side. Uh, if you got time, but no need of going back to the classes actually. You can continue the classes. Now I'll show you guys how to read the documentation. I have told you guys how to just now I explained how to go to the documentation. Okay, so your task, if you guys got time, let's say, okay, spare 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, and I'll give some methods here which ones to go through, okay, which ones to go through these methods. Come tomorrow to the class so that you feel very light in the class, just like jQuery. Okay, just be prepared. Just spare 1 hour of time. All you gotta do is like go to jQuery.com, API documentation, and I'll give some 6 methods, 6 or 5 or 4, I don't know. I don't have anything in mind. Go through them, come back tomorrow. We'll have more quizzes, more programs, and that particular things. Okay. The first one here, I'm writing it here. I won't post this anywhere. If any of you guys miss out this, okay, go to the videos which come tomorrow, or just note it down anywhere as I'm doing here. Okay, the method is on val change click key up and trigger, and what else, val change click key up trigger, and we have seen HTML append and yes, attr. Yeah, so these are the things. Okay, I'll be mailing you now. No, don't worry. Okay, fine. Maybe I can't email you guys, sorry, but I'll include in the class notes, which you can download once the videos are out.